Hello YouTube, this is Daddy and Carl again today, and today we have a guest appearance. This one is called Nan and Grandad's vacuum cleaner. We got given this one to try and sort out.
Yeah.
Carl's actually sorted it out. It actually took him a matter of
1 minute.
1 minute of bringing it home from their house.
Yeah.
So we'll just show you firstly what this vacuum is.
It's a Hoover.
It's a Hoover Sprint Evo.
Yeah.
They make the same one very similar called a Sprint. I think Ibasiat's got as unboxed one, but this is, and this one here has a HEPA filter with it.
Yeah.
And it has 240 air watts.
And I want to tell them what they got a cat too.
Yeah, and they got a pet as well. They got a cat.
Yeah.
So they use this for quite a bit.
Yeah.
It comes from a carpeted house.
Yeah.
So Carl's now going to show them what the problem was. I didn't have a chance to have a look. They said they cleaned the filters and it was making a funny noise. But when Carl pulled this one out, this one was like caked with carpet dust. You couldn't even see it. So that's all we've done to it, literally. Just a matter of cleaning this top filter out here, because this is where the suction was, because they said it was down on suction. So the problem's been done. But I am actually going to service it completely and wash all the filters for them.
Clean that bit out.
Yeah, I'm gonna give it a good clean up today and give it back to them.
What day are you giving it back?
Thursday.
No.
Yeah, we're gonna clean that one up as well for them.
The morning or afternoon Thursday?
Thursday evening.
I want them not to be able to know, too.
Yeah, we will. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna actually take all the filters out, wash all the filters.
Plug it in.
And then, but first we're just going to show you what this one goes like, because there are, oh, and by the way, this is a 1400 watt, see that needs washing as well, look. I'm just going to wash every filter on it.
Yeah, even a pepper one.
Yeah, we can put an air freshener in there for them.
Yeah, put some air freshener in there to make it sound good. What Hoover has this got now?
Well, tell them. We'll tell them we'll do the other video.
What? Sound like that! It sounds like that!
How much suction's it got on it now?
That's off!
Yeah, I'll turn that one off.
And that's what the noise is making.
Is it making the right noise now?
Yeah.
How much suction has this one got, love?
Get it up! On the side.
Oh, a lot of suction on that one.
This, I was told, they pull it up. So that's how good it is.
Well, there we have it, the Hoover Sprint Evo. I think they've had it about, how long have they had it? About 3 years?
No, no, now, I don't know. I think they had it when about, not when the NC thing went on them. It's about, let's see.
Oh, let's have a look at the rating plate then.
Yeah. I see the sign and the date on the rating plate.
I don't think you can.
Getting a date on it? Getting a date
Well,
on
they
it?
got a 13 on it,
Yeah.
so it might be
What?
No, I cannot date that. There's a 13 there.
You tell me how to date this.
No, there's no way you can date that one.
Maybe it's 13.
See, that one there is made in the Republic of China and the Hoover Limited UK
No, name.
in Wales.
No, I tell you.
So it's a 1600 watt max.
Name.
Or it's rated at 1600 watts, but it's 1400 watts.
Yeah, I got another one at the same.
We'll clean that one up and we'll do a follow-up video. We'll put some Hoover food down.
I got another Hoover at the same now, friend.
You have, haven't you?
Yeah.
And so that's it for
See
now.
how hot it is.
Yeah, but it's not
One
burning.
little bath.
It's not that hot.
That's how hot. It's one little bath.
Right. So what'd you say now?
Boys will know.
And I will clean this one up and show you the filters. The filters actually, I can get it out.
Let me push that. They've got one in there.
Right, go and get that one out then. Don't do it on the rug, mate. Do it on the floor. See, I'm gonna try and wash this one up a bit.
And look at that note.
This here is very similar to what you have in a dustbuster pivot. That's a dustbuster style, bagless style filter in there. So I'm gonna
Yeah.
I will actually wash it by hands.
You say it's not working good.
It is working alright now, though, isn't it?
It's not working good. It's not even working.
So
It picked up good. It's not even working. The note is. I think the note is going on the way out there.
alright, so bye for now.
Yeah.
Bye.